So hey there everyone. So I got in a media book from Amazon Germany. I believe this one is Candyman. Once I saw that Candyman was gonna be available on Blu-ray, especially the media book, I definitely had to pick it up. And the price was actually pretty good. I got this and the Blob, the 1980 something version. So I only received one today. So let's get this open. And ooh, there we go. And that's what I like right there. It stars Virginia Madsen and Tony Todd. Featurettes. And this is the limited edition. I believe you can also get this on Diabolic DVD as well. So that's the front. And this is the spine. And this is the back. And I believe this is your bonus features. So on the back, I cannot read a damn thing because it is in German. But yeah, I mean, and plus two, I have an all region player, and this is region B locked. So, just a little heads up to anyone who doesn't own, an all region player. This is region B. So this is the back. Oh, shit. The spine. And there we go. And this is the front again. And it does have a little bit of thickness to it. Which, I mean, I'm not going to open it up right now because I'm not going to watch it yet. But, yeah, this was only, I believe, like 18 to 20 bucks, and that's shipped. But, I also ordered the blob with it. So, altogether it was like, I believe, $43 or $42, which isn't bad. This was actually cheaper than the blob. But yeah, it's pretty wild because I forgot that this was done by Clive Barker. Um, and it was based off of his short story. I believe it was called The Forbidden. This, like, I think I said this came out in 1992. The other two sequels didn't do as well as this one, but I still like the other two. But for me, this is, the funner one or the better made one, if you will. So that's my unboxing of Candyman Media Book. Thanks for watching.